Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Moneylion's budgeting and tracking features. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to talk about is setting up budgeting and tracking. How you want to do that is to first find the Moneylion app on your mobile device and open that up, and then you want to enter sign into your account, of course, by entering your email address and password, and then you got to navigate to the finance section of the app, and then you want to link your bank accounts, your credit cards, and other financial institutions to track your spendings. So when it comes to creating a budget, what you want to do is to first set financial goals. So you got to identify your short-term and long-term financial goals, such as savings for an emergency funds, or it could be for paying off debts, or probably want to get a car, or it could be an accommodation, whatever. And then you want to just categorize expenses. So you could just divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and whatnot. You could also assign budget amounts. So you want to allocate specific amounts to each category based on your income and expenses. And of course, you can also track progress, so you can monitor your spendings and stay on track with your budgets. So when it comes to tracking expenses, you can always use automated expense tracking. So Moneylion is going to automatically track your expenses from linked accounts. You also have the manual expense entries, so you can always just add manual entries for cash transactions or expenses that are not directly linked to your account. You can also categorize transactions, so you can assign categories to each transaction for accurate budgeting. And of course, you can view expense history, so you can review your past expenses to identify trends and area of improvement. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.